y'all, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are finally, well, oh damn, I forgot the orders upstairs. Well, I just fulfilled some orders, and huge thank you to everyone who placed the order for the That Been Moving stickers. We sold out in like 3 hours. So I'm talking to the company to get a restock in, so restock should be readily available very soon. So thank you to everyone who just support, man, thank you so much, bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, for today's video, I don't know if, I think I just said it, I don't know, but I'm taking Integra out. I don't think it's raining, but we need to drive this bad girl. We need to drive old girl today, you know what I mean? Haven't took my baby out in a minute, so I think I'm gonna drive the Integra today, go to the post office, send off these orders, and also send out the valve cover so I can finally get that powder coated. Well, looks like I'm not driving the Integra because it's raining, and I don't want to drive the Integra when it's raining, man. God, why, bro? Why? Let me just enjoy this car, please. 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 Man, look at my baby, bro. God damn. You gotta see how dirty the Integra is. If only I had a detailing sponsor, we could have Christina looking nice. But since I don't, I'm gonna try this Mother's Waterless Wash and Wax. I don't wash this car because I'm afraid to like put swirl marks and scratches because I don't know how to wash any damn thing besides my butt cheeks. I learned how to do that not too long ago. Yeah, I don't know how I'm feeling about this. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know. I do not know. Yeah, leaving the post office, baby. Sent out the valve cover. It's only 30 bucks because I didn't package it myself. And yeah, so I could have sent it out yesterday and the guy could have got it today and worked on it this weekend. But all in all, that bad boy is out of here. So yee. Now, I'm in the mood for some McDonald's french fries, bro. Oh, this thing sound a large french fry with no salt right now. Oh, that sounds bussin'. But man, McDonald's food don't hit the same. Like, they nuggets don't hit no more. The McChickens definitely don't hit no more. It just, I don't know, man. But them french fries, oh my God. I want some beat ups though. Buffalo Wild Wings right now, but it ain't Tuesday, bro. Tuesday's BOGO. Buy one, get one. You feel me? At Buffalo Wild Wings, mother sucker. I got the fastest shipping in the business. Just kidding. But I do ship out like next day though. You feel me? Damn, should I go to McDonald's and get some french fries? But then I gotta get something else, cause I don't wanna just go there for no french fries, bruh. You feel me? But man, I'm gonna go get me some french fries, cause they sound like they will bust right now, baby. French fries be bust! Well, yep. I got chicken nuggets and french fries. I'm disappointed in myself. Very disappointed. So there's this show on Netflix called Black AF. It's the same creator that created Mixed-ish and Blackish, but this is his like show to be full creative. It's like Blackish, but rated R. It's amazing. Check it out. It's such a good show. I need to be on TV or something. Win me your. That's the theme song. Win. Know the vibes. But I'm only going to get gas because I don't have no cluster and I ain't trying to get pulled over for speeding and I don't know how fast I'm going and I ain't got time to be using the apps and all. Nah, that's too much work. So I'm going to the gas station, get some gas. Hopefully I do not get pulled over. Woo, finally got some action, baby. Gas is $2.39 at the racetrack. How is the gas price in your state, city, town, jig, parish, blah, 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 blah? Yeah, 4 gallons off $10, bruh. Bro, this feels like 2005 all over again. Beautiful. And quite frankly, I don't even remember 2005. All I remember is Nelly coming out with the song Grills. That's all I remember in 2005. But that's all I need to know. Check out that digital dash, my boy! Woo! Chill day, quarantining with the homies, basically. Just is real. Ferb, why you look so sad, bruh?
I'm just coming back home from work, yo.
You just what back home?
Lava.
Damn. Okay, so when he work on his car, he's fish. When he's sleepy, he's fish. Damn, that smell good. What you cooking in there, bruh?
We're making dinner, man.
What kind of dinner?
Pork chops and rice.
Pork chops and rice. A homo steering wheel.
A little bit bigger.
I see this shit nice, nigga. Yeah, it don't look that bad now that I look at it.
It looks just like yours.
Kinda, yeah, it kinda does.
Yeah, that shit don't look.
Where is it made at? Does it say Italy in the back? Made in Italy?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a good wheel, bruh. The homo wheel look good. It ain't too bad.
Your shit ain't ugly. I don't know why this nigga hate this shit so much.
Cause it's Fred, bruh. Fred's a funny dude.
So, you can't put that on there?
You gotta go. This has to be mounted on that first. And then
See, mine is different. His quickly. This is the old school one, yeah.
Oh, so this pops in there.
yeah, once you put this on.
I feel you. Then you just boom. What flavor you want, bro?
I think I'm gonna get the blue, man. And the blue.
Y'all, these are my friends.
Now you seen in the group chat when he said like, bro, whenever, yeah, mi casa es su casa. What happened
You
now?
drove all the way this way, just free.
Nah, bro, this is the first pit stop, bro.
I drove all the way there for a gatorade.
Yeah, bro.
Shit free.
Facts. Damn, Fred, what you doing with the age, bro? What's going on? Who this going to?
A little brother, bro, supposed to be,
No.
I've been lazy, bro.
I know, I see. You drip down in that Grado, bro. I feel you. You feel
I'm gonna get attacked forever.
Hey, you alright, Fred? That shit come beak you right in your stomach.
I'm gonna be out for another 6 months.
They gonna beak him right in his hand.
That nigga having fun. That nigga said, try me, nigga.
Oh shit! He tried to. Fred, chill out, bruh. Bro, he tried to.
He trying to fight some bird. Right? Them niggas mocking this nigga. Stupid ass. Dumb ass nigga.
Dang, bruh. Oh, they playing, bruh.
This nigga Fred, bro. Nigga look mad as hell.
Nah, gonna come on my yard, dig up the grass, put hole in them.
Do you cut the grass? Do you maintain? Hold on.
Damn, must be nice. Waiting on mine, man. Waiting on mine. Damn, that's nice, man. So nice. I think I'm gonna have my dash set up on this this design. This is nice, bruh. Battery voltage map, TPS, speed, data logging, gear, RPM tag. This is where it's at, and it's very responsive too. Man, that's nice. All right, leaving Fred's house. Leaving Fred's house. Leaving Fred's house. Freddy born Brady. Fred born bread. Hold up walking Fred. It's been like 4 days since that last clip and 7 days since my last upload. What's up? I don't know what's going on, okay? I don't know. I'm not feeling this anymore. I don't want to do YouTube anymore. I don't know what's going on. But I do have car videos planned. I put in my order for my Dept sports stuff for the RS6, so that should be coming soon. My cluster from Wireware comes in tomorrow. Today is Wednesday as I'm filming this. Yeah, that's pretty much the only update that I have. I've been watching this new show called Ozark. It's a pretty good show. If you haven't watched it, I highly suggest you should watch it. My Zosh MFG Worldwide t-shirts release Friday in 2 days. So hopefully, since I'm not uploading anymore, well, it feels like I'm not uploading anymore, you guys support the merch so I can still stay afloat. If not, then I don't know. Follow me on OnlyFans. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I don't know what this video entails. I don't even remember what I filmed this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed whatever this was. I will see you guys back. I don't know. I probably should do like another daily upload spree before I just hang all this shit up, to be honest. Alright. From here on out, daily uploads until like I get burnt out again and I just feel like quitting life in general. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow with another one. I'm out. Peace.